Welcome everyone. In the last lecture, we saw how to use dynamic data in PHP, and now we will proceed further. But before proceeding further, I want to show you how to use comments in PHP, because if you are using comments in your work, in your project, then you can organize different functions in a very good manner. Like you can write a comment for a particular function so that whenever you look into that in the particular line, then you will understand that what's it's working for. So rather than just saying, let me show you how to write comments in PHP. Let's go to your editor. So here you can see this is just a skeleton of HTML with the HTML tag, the head tag and the body tag, and there's just a h1 tag inside this body tag saying comments in PHP, and I have given some stylings to it with font size and alignment, center alignment. So this you can also do it on your own. This is some CSS stuffs. This is the page, okay, which is getting displayed in the browser, like here, comments in PHP. So what I'm trying to show you, that suppose here is one more heading in h2. This is h2 heading, and then again with a h3 tag. This is a smaller heading. Sorry guys. Save this. Now let's see. Okay, great. So this is our main heading, and this is our h2, and this is our h3. So they are getting displayed fine, but where comes the role of the comment? Suppose here, in the place of this h2 h3 tags, suppose here is a complex PHP function doing some sort of calculation, like it's guessing which year has leap years or not, doing prime numbers, some palindrome numbers, or if you have done programming in Java or CSS, some programming stuffs are in here. Suppose in place of these two lines, and whenever you will look into this page, by looking into all of those codes, you may get confused that what this code is actually doing. So here comes the role of comment. We write comment at the very top, so that by looking at the comment we can say, yes, this thing does this. That's why this comment is here. Okay, so just let me show you how to write a comment. Here, like here, we are outputting two heading tags. So let's write the comment like below we are displaying headings. Just write this. So how we can write comments? Just put this forward slashes, two forward slashes, then write the comment. Below are the comments. Okay, now save this. Just guess what? I'm trying to show you something. This will throw an error, but understand. Okay, now if I refresh, see, it is also getting displayed with no styling at all. The two forward slashes are also displayed here, and the text is also displayed without any styling, because it's not inside any HTML tag, it's just simply written there. So it is getting displayed. Why it didn't work here? Why this comment didn't work here? Why the comment is getting displayed also in the browser? We don't want our comment to be displayed in the browser. We only want the output, the result, final result of the calculation which is here, that we want to display in the browser, not the comment. But here the comment is also getting displayed. Why? Because how we have started the comment with two forward slashes. So this type of commenting works in PHP, but right now we are not in PHP mode, we are in HTML mode. So understand, if this way inside a PHP, then it will work like this. Okay, and if I hit refresh, see, it is gone. The text from above is gone. Okay, because now it is a comment. Now if I come here and view the page source, so here in the page source you won't see the comment. The only place you can see the comment is in your editor or in your development environment, where you have written the comment for your information that yes, this code below is doing this. Let's write something inside PHP, okay, so you may understand better. So this is the starting of PHP and this is the ending of PHP. Now just let's echo out something simple. Echo 34 plus 45. Okay, save this. This echo statement will output the final result of this. Okay, we can use PHP like this for any calculations. We can use PHP. So just see. Now go to your browser, and we are not viewing the page source now. Let's remove this from the very start. Okay, now hit refresh. Okay, so here you can see 79. It has done the calculation and it's showing the result 79. But suppose in spite of this simple calculation in here, there is a very big calculation and you don't know, you don't remember what calculation is going on below. So let's write a comment, 2 forward slashes. Now below function is for addition. Now save this. Okay, see, this is in low shade, not that much highlighted. That means it has been commented. Okay, now if I hit refresh, you won't see anything in here because that's a comment for your understanding. Now if I continue with the comment in the second line and it outputs the final result in the browser. Okay, now save this. Now if I come here and hit refresh, see, we got a parsing error. Okay, why? Let's see that. Okay, first of all, we can't use AND because it's some kind of PHP function, I guess. Yes, let's remove this AND and let's remove this final also. Final is a keyword. Okay, so it's output the result in the browser. Now let's save this and hit refresh. Okay, it's still showing error. Why is it showing error? The question is that it will show, definitely it will show error. It is bound to show error because we are inside PHP and we are just simply writing a line which is actually not a comment. See, this line is commented out, but this line is not commented out. Okay, you can see the difference in the shade. This is white and this is gray. So to comment this line also, we have to put forward slashes at the very start before. Okay, now save this. Now hit refresh. Cool, right? So you might be thinking that suppose you are writing a comment of let's say 10 to 15 lines of comment. Okay, comments are not that much big, but let's just assume that your comment is of 10 lines. Then in spite of giving this forward slashes at the starting of every line, what we can do, we can use multiple line commenting. Like if I write anything like this in several lines, suppose this is a comment, 4-line comments, so I will not put this forward slashes at the very beginning of each and every line manually. No, I won't do that. We will do multi-line commenting. How? Put a forward slash, then put an asterisk, and at the very end put another asterisk and this forward slash. Now save this. So as you can see, this is also getting highlighted, the grayscale. Okay, that means it has been commented out. Now let's save this, hit refresh. See, we are not displaying that. That means it's a comment. So we use comment in PHP for our own good. so that we can understand what we are doing in our projects, in our files, and it helps us in later future when we look back into our projects. We don't have to go through all the codes to understand what it is actually doing. Rather, we can just read the comment and get the knowledge. And there are two types of comment. Like if it's a single line comment, then we can use that single line commenting like here I have did. And if it is a multi-line comment, then we can use this asterisk one like this. Okay, so I hope you're getting the hang of it and you're enjoying the lectures as well. Please do like, share and subscribe. I just need your love, guys, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, thank you. Have a great day.